So, hey guys, okay, I got time to record something. I've been busy and I haven't had the time to, check another project. So, well, before that, I wanted to show the updated code. Okay, let me check this. Okay, so remember, well, if you remember, we lacked some functionality. Okay, let me open my console and I don't know why it has that. Let me refresh. Oh, because I just deleted some. Okay, don't mind this. This seems to be because there's a service worker out there, so it's not in this app. So let's say post one as always, and this is the content for the post one. Okay, so remember that this is sending the information and the image. Okay, so let's go to downloads. Let's choose this one first, open. Okay, and we are getting the file. All this I explained on my latest video, or I'm sorry, my latest, no, this is my latest video, or my last video. So if you don't get this, refer to that video, because this is the part where I updated the code and you will see the changes. So we chose an image, we have the image here. Okay, you can access all this information if you want. And if I click submit, okay, let's click submit. Okay, you will see that here I got this uploading file. Okay, you can see that because it's on the bottom, but on a bigger image you will see the changes. So I just made a little change so you can see. Okay, we're getting here the start of the upload and the progress. Okay, so let me show you that in the code. I changed my icons because I don't know why when my VS Code updated I wasn't able to see my icons, so that's why it looks different. Is this the one? Okay, I for well I forgot last video to explain something, because I was explaining this thing, that this Firestore collection you can use set to create the document with a custom ID. Okay, so I didn't explain that you could get, after you add something and create a document, you can get the document ID or the document reference. Okay, and you can get the information. So just a little tip. And where is the, okay, here it is. This is the updated part. So we are making we are using upload percent, that is an observable. Okay, okay, here it is. And where it is, okay, and getting this task, that is this task. Okay, the percentage changes, that is okay, I can see that here, that is the changes on the while the app is being uploaded. Okay, and we need to subscribe. It took me a while to get that, but we need to subscribe to this variable. Okay, and we get the percent. That's why you get this X percent, because I'm consoling that. Okay, you will check what this does in a second, but let me add another one. Next, new post. Title. Oops. Second post. I tested that. I mean this functionality on my other monitor that is a wider resolution, so I didn't realize that it's here at the bottom, and you can see that here. But let's say content. This is the second post, but the functionality is there. So let's click this one. Okay, let's click submit, and well, you can see that it just jumps to 100%. This image isn't that big, so I think I have a bigger image. I don't know. Let me go to my other monitor and to look for that. There's a bigger image I will show you. Let me see if I can find it. I need a really big image. Okay, I got this one. That is a it's a big image. This one is one. Okay. Oh, I just finished some work. That's why my mind is kind of dizzy. But I wanted to upload this because it's Tuesday. Okay, you can see my date, and yes, it's as I've been busy with work, and I need to work to get money, so that's why it took me so long to update this. I just did this yesterday, Monday, so let's try again and see if we can really see the changes. Okay, because that's a bigger image, and let's say third post. This is the third post. Let's use this one. Okay, let's submit. Okay, and you will see how this changes. You can floor this. As I said, I just had the time to do it, so I did it the dirty way. You can see the changes here. So the file is being uploaded, and 100% we get the feedback here, and we get redirected. Okay. So with a file like this that isn't that big, you just get from 0 to 100 in what, a second, and you just get redirected. So with files with this width, with this size, you can see the functionality. Also, I'm consoling all this information that, well, in case just to see it. So yeah, but as far as I know, and that's why, because I mean, that's why I made this change. I'm using a behavior subject because I can subscribe to this, of course. Okay, I can subscribe to this, but as far as I know, I cannot get this unless I shouldn't be able to get the updated percentage on the, because this is the service, on the post. Okay, on the add post component, that is this one. So what I did, okay, you can try that without the behavior subject, but in case you need to pass, okay, any change you make on the service, you will need this behavior subject. Okay, you will need to subscribe to this, and because know that I'm using this one. Okay, I'm getting the percent and I'm just consoling. Everything is in this service. So I need to use this set percentage that is a function, a special function. Where the hell am I? Set percentage that takes the percentage, okay, or the percent any, okay, isn't returning anything, and I'm getting this percentage, this one, okay. I'm using this variable to get the percent I'm adding here as a parameter, okay, and I'm pushing that change so I can hear it. So in this case, I'm using this public percentage any, and I'm creating this percentage changes as a type behavior subject. Here you can define the type, a string, arrays, whatever you want. I'm just saying any, and I need to pass what I'm going to use. Okay, so here I subscribe using this Firestore service percentage changes, that is the function I'm calling here. Wait. Yes. Control F. Percentage changes. Well, that shouldn't be it, right? So I added the name. No. Let me take a look at this. Oh yeah. I'm so stupid. It's this one. Okay. I'm subscribing to the behavior subject here. Okay. And I'm using what I'm passing, and I'm saying this percentage as the thing that I'm passing, that is this percent. Okay, and let me come back here. This percentage is a variable that I have here, percentage. Okay, that is, in this case, that is listening to this Firestore service percentage, that is the one here. Okay, right now it's not it's null, but to pass this percent, we need to call set percentage. That is what we are doing here. This is a percentage, and since we are getting the percent here, I'm just passing the percent to my behavior subject, and this is the new value. Let me close this. That is being pushed. Okay, so I can listen to that on my component outside of the service, and I'm making a simple, okay, if percentage, okay, it's not null, I'm just passing this one, just a dirty way of doing that. And percentage is, of course, this percentage that is the same as the push values on the percentage inside the Firestore service. Okay, so in case you need to pass some functionality, okay, let's say you are getting a, I don't know, a change on your service, but you won't be able to see that change outside of the service. Okay, you will need to use a behavior subject and subscribe to that, so the variable is for Angular to see the variable. So what else do I need to do? Let me see if I can. Nope. Styles, no. I think there's nothing else to explain. Let me check the code one more time. And I can't see anything else that I need to explain. And yes, I'm subscribing. This is the percentage. And that's it. I think that's it. So let's try that again so you can see. New post, title, fourth post. This is the post number 4. So open and okay, you can see that it just jumped from 0 to 100 just like that, and it uploaded. Okay, so that's it. You can now listen for the percentage of bytes uploaded to file storage in your service. Where it is? Okay, so it's this part. Okay, and you can manage all you want after the file is being uploaded. Here using finalize, and that's it. Let me close this so I can see the OBS. And yeah, so this is a short video, I know, but I wanted to finish this one because someone asked about the next part, and I just hadn't had the time to, I didn't have the time to make the changes. I've been busy with work, so in case I take a little, because understand that I don't earn anything from YouTube. Okay, I need to work and I need to get things running, and I will try to update videos and to record and to create more. I still have a lot of demos that I want to show you, sockets, cloud functions, other ones, to test HTTPS here in Angular. I got a lot of things to do, but sometimes I don't have the time to record and review all the code, so I can explain all that to you. So in case I take a little to upload something, you can comment, the video you need the information from, and you can comment that. In case I don't reply, I try to reply as soon as I can. Okay, sometimes YouTube doesn't send me the notification, so I need to check the channel, but I will try to reply as soon as I can. And if there's a video or there's a project with multiple parts, not that I'm not preparing anything, I'm just doing the recording as I go, and if I need to add another part to that project, then I will need to have the time to do it. And sometimes I can, some other times I just can't. I just don't have the time to do it because I'm busy working. So yes, if you need something, just type it on the comments, and I will try to explain or to answer you as soon as I can. And I'll try to update the codes, as soon as I can. So yes, keep commenting, keep subscribing, of course. If one day I can earn something from YouTube, then I will try to upload. If not every day, because I build these codes and I take 2 days, 3 days to build some codes, and maybe but I will take more into consideration, my channel. So, but right now, since I'm not earning anything, okay, let's be honest, I'm not earning anything on YouTube. I just started. I only have 100 subscribers, and I appreciate that. Okay, so one day, if we grow enough, then you will have all the videos and all the content you want. But right now, I just need to work. I'm a regular person, but the only thing is that I'm working as a freelancer, programmer. Okay, and yeah, that's the only difference. But I'm still a person like anyone else. I still need to get my job done, you know. And yeah. So if you have any doubt, I will upload now the repo. In case you don't have that in this today or tomorrow, comment, okay, and tell me what the fuck is the repo, and I will upload the repo. Okay, so in case I forget. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys, and see you on the next one.